Well. Here we go. Okay, so plan for today is to replace Rofi, which I have right now, right? Or maybe leave it but style it. But first of all, I have to figure out which runner is like the best for now, right? Which one I want to use. So I guess the first I can do is to write Linux runners. It's not gonna work this way, right? The fuck? It's called app runner, right? Unix runner. Any run. As far as I know, any run is not that customizable, right? Okay, let's do it differently. Why do I have a capital? Okay, what is the best Linux app runner at the current moment? Most robust and customizable, I guess. Fast, efficient. Okay, this way. I know about Fuzzer. Is it called Fuzzer? Runner? Wait, am I tripping? It's not Fuzzer? Probably not. Okay, I'm tripping. Okay, let's check out any run then. Rofi. Robustness, efficiency, customization. Isn't like Rofi uses GTK 2 or 3, which is really bad at rendering. Rofi's rendering. Yeah, how can I quickly check? GTK. It doesn't work this way. What else do I have here? Ulansure, Albert, Kirana, Wofi. What are these options? Albert, what is Albert? It's the first time I'm hearing it. Linux. It's plugin based desktop agnostic C++ KT keyboard launcher. Okay, interesting. 7.7. Is this project alive? Just curious. Gallery. So it's like a spotlight on macOS, right? Actually, it looks pretty good. Actually, not bad. Can do pretty much anything there. Okay. Actually, it's pretty active, especially recent years. But okay, let's check other options. E-launcher, right? Gemini recommends the same thing. Yeah. It's QTs. This one is GTK Plus. What's a GTK Plus? It's praised for its ease of use. Rofi distinguishes itself as the undistributed champion for customization of power users. So it's gonna be Rofi at the end, isn't it? I know, I feel so weird, but like, whenever I open any tech, and I just check out their website, and if website is bad, I just don't feel like installing this software, you know? I like understand that like it's not for everyone to, not everyone can build a nice website. It's like hard, but I don't know. It's just actually I don't think it's that hard, to be honest. Now when I'm thinking about it, like really, this is not bad, right? I wish it would be better, but it's still not bad. But this one is just, I don't know, it's like from 2010. Maybe it is in fact from 2010. Okay, let's check out Rofi. I have it installed, right? So this is Rofi. 15.2k stars. C, which is good. Actually, I prefer C over C++. It's not like I'm gonna contribute to it anyway, so why am I even... Okay, but I have like this bias that C code is probably more reliable than C++. For some reason. Yep, so it's not detective. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go to Reddit, Unix porn, and we'll just look for Rofi. Rofi for everything. Wow, so is that customizable? No way. Okay, pretty good. Okay, let's do it this way. What renderer? Okay, and while it syncs, let's look for Albert. Okay, this one doesn't look good. Yeah, okay, it seems like I'm gonna stick to Rofi. Okay, so let's read this one. Rofi versatile Windows switcher, application launcher, and the menu replacement. Utilizes a combination of libraries for its user interface rendering. It primarily relies on Sierra, which is probably GTK, right? For drawing, and Pango for font rendering. The graphic library support multiple output devices. Okay, let's go to Rofi GitHub. Open wiki. And then customization. It should be here, right? It should be. Custom key maps? No, not really. Styling. Configuration. Probably could be. Themes. Wait. Wait. The official repository for themes can be found here. Public archive. Okay. Nice. Rofi uses .rasi file extension. The format is similar to CSS. You can find documentation on the RASI format here. If it's similar to CSS, why it's not CSS? It's so weird. Wait, is it how it's gonna look, or is it? Yeah, no, it's just like ASCII representation, right? That's what you can like literally do ASCII. This is the default theme. Run the following command. Oh, I'm using Wofi right now. That's upsetting. Let's replace it, I guess. For some reason I thought I was using Wofi. It's only... No, it's not 8, right? It is Wofi? Why am I using it? That's so weird. Wait, seriously? Oh, it's here. Okay, that makes sense. Anyway. Fuck, one more time. Good. Let's go to users. No, this one. Where's Wofi? Yeah, so now I have to change hyperlink config. Vim config hyperlink. Actually, let's check out Rofi. Rofi is unsure what to show. Okay, interesting. And vim.config hyperlink. And here, instead of Wofi, I do Rofi. The following. Okay, it's only one dash here. Good. Pretty good. And I guess it's safe. I don't need to change anything else. Write it. Then let's go back. Let's run it. Okay, so this is config, default one, right? Dumdim, yeah, this is default config. This also can be used as base for future customization. Nice, let's use it. Use theme name. Let's go this way. Doesn't exist. Nice. Later on, you can modify and use this with show theme. Okay, good. Adding the theme to your configuration file. Okay. If the theme file is in some other directory other than the following, okay. Generate a default configuration file. Okay, done. This creates a file called, okay. It's the same, right? Yeah. Actually, let's just read it. File, open folder. Hopefully I don't leak anything, as always. Show hidden files. .config. Where is it? Why there are so many files? R, I need R. Actually, can I do it this way? Open. Red. Selected 80 foreground. Background. Where do I have these variables defined? I don't. Wait. Seriously? No way. No way. Wait, they are defined here, right? Background color? Are they? Foreground. Red. Foreground. Oh, here it is, background. Okay, so probably we'll either go for black or for white. And I think as for now it's gonna be black. Okay, it doesn't work. Interesting. Let's test this one. This command. Where it was? Okay, show run theme. I need only name. Good, it works. However, spacing to 2 watts. Okay, it seems like it's gonna take some time. Foreground, it's gonna be white. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, there's this one. Fuck, it's kind of uncomfortable. I want to figure out how do I add it to config. So I need to add this to config. Configure Rofi. Config.rasi. Okay. Just like that? Okay, it works. Nice. First of all, let's do it this way. Black plus RGBA. Probably just RGB. Will it work this way? It should. This works, nice. Red, do I need it? Probably not, hopefully. But there's no syntax highlights, so there's no way for me to check. Yep. Foreground, so that was a normal foreground. I want to find this like every second element foreground, background, both of them. Normal background. Alternative, okay. Syntax error unexpected invalid property value. Because I need var. Is it? Okay, but it didn't help. Alternative active background. Oh, so there should be just alternative background, right? Selected. Alternate normal background. Okay. So here is gonna be foreground. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Selected. Now I need foreground. Selected active foreground, and it's gonna be black. Actually, it was bad here. White. It's not gonna work because it should not be a var. Okay, still doesn't work. The fuck? No, one works. So this one does work. Yeah. Why is there so random? Selected normal foreground. Black. Oh. Okay, good. Actually, it's already pretty good. I feel like I can leave it this way and it's fine. Can I do like that? No, I can't. Yeah, that's kinda bummer. Okay. Let's reiterate. Element alternate urgent. Window. Sidebar overlay. Interesting. So it's like this. The first block is just a config, right? So like not in the sense of the config. Like these are real styles and these are like predefined variables, right? Which control these default styles. Nice foreground. Why is there even so many variables? Let's do it this way. Oh, so there is a use for red. Okay, I have to sort them. It's gonna take some time. Foreground. Active foreground. What does active mean? In which sense is active? Okay, whatever. Normal foreground. Okay. There are no normal foregrounds anymore, right? Okay, so it's gonna be alternate normal. There's no such thing. Wait, it's gonna be... Kinda confused. So I need active. Alternate active, yeah, this one. Select normal foreground. I don't think I need this one. This one is kinda confusing, to be frank. Okay, let's move all the colors here. It's not used anymore. We can delete this one. Blue and light blue. What about light blue? Alternate urgent background. The fuck, I have no idea. What does it mean? Urgent, not urgent? Okay, let's leave it as it is for now. Foreground. Normal, alternate normal, selected normal. Active, alternate active, selected active. Damn, it's so hard to think. Urgent. This is the first one. Actually, you know what I can do? Like that. Wait, why is it? Oh, I see. I hate it so much when people create custom DSLs, or how they call it, these custom one-purpose languages. What is even the reason? Like, honestly, it feels a bit more thought through than CSS, considering like even the fact that I don't need to do it this way, right? But still, like, why would you invent new language which is like gonna be used only for configuration in your project and nowhere else? Normal background. Then selected normal background. No, my bad. Alternate. Huh? Was there? Oh, I didn't move everything. Did I? No, I didn't. Wait, urgent. Oh yeah, my bad. Alternate here. Urgent here. Now it makes more sense. Background color transparent? Huh? Oh, it's used actually. I see. So it's actually the style. It's not the variable. It's the style of every. It's kind of weird, but okay. So background color. We leave it at the bottom. Spreader color for ground, nice. Border color for ground. Hello, hello. 0xirfs. Hello, man. How you came here? No, I don't meet people from YouTube that often here, to be honest. Okay. It looks pretty organized. Separator, border color. Yeah, let's leave them together. I'm not sure about spacing though. Kind of look like CSS. It is like I hate when people do it this way because it's like it's pretty much CSS. It's just like a little bit better CSS, but it's made in a different language. There's a language which is like used only for this project, for configuring this project, and you like have to deal with it without syntax highlight or LSP or like anything. And you think like, what was the purpose of doing that? Like, couldn't you just like embrace all the pitfalls of CSS and just use CSS as everyone does? YouTube changed it to username. What do you mean? I'm kind of confused. Light blue. How do I figure out what are these urgent variables? I mean, to be frank, it already looks pretty good, right? It like matches the whole theme. Isn't it? Maybe. I want to remove this line. I'm not sure. Maybe it's made it solid. Is it possible? It should be. Okay, let's do it this way. Dash, yeah. It's basically CSS, isn't it? Message. Oh, it's not. It's not the one I wanted. So there are several borders here. Sidebar. List view. Okay, let's try all of them. Yeah, it works. Padding. I don't want this. Probably. Right? Oh no, I want it here. But not here, I guess. I want to remove horizontal spacing. It doesn't work. Separator color, scroll bar true. Fix height 0. Border. Why do I have black here? Is it like because there is another border inside? Scroll bar with 2 pixels. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. What do I change? Wait. Sidebar. Button. What is a button? I'm so confused. Scroll bar. List view. Because this one will remove it, right? Almost certainly. Yeah, it will. I don't think I need scroll bar, honestly. What's the point of scroll bar? So I can use my mouse? Yeah, I can use my mouse, which is like kinda handy, but it's not like I'm gonna use it anyway. I'm gonna just type things. So probably. Oh, what do I see here? Wait, it was not the point. Wait, okay, I see. So okay, kinda explains it. So this border is like top part of this element. It makes sense. What is spacing though? It seems like there is no gap between items, isn't it? Oh, there is some gap. Wait a minute. My bad. Let's do 16. Yeah, there is a gap. Let's do 0. Okay, allow it this way. Border color, good. Padding. Let's increase it to see. Okay. Okay. I'm not sure. Probably 4. I want it to be even with the like side padding. Yeah, so it's the same. Actually, do I even need padding? I'm not sure if I do need it. Main box, padding, border, window. Padding, 5, 0. Okay. Yes, that's how I see it actually. I'm not sure if it's good though. Maybe a little bit of padding will not harm. I'm not sure. I can make it completely black without border, but that also means that it's gonna be... It's gonna look bad in such situations, right? When there is black background behind trophy. But it's not like completely black as here, so it's gonna just like look seamless. It's gonna look bad. Okay. Let's undo it and do not 5 but 4. I think it looks good. Maybe 8 actually. Actually maybe 8. Let's grow it even more. I'm kinda curious at this point. Because this one doesn't look that good. I have to increase padding in the search window. How can I do it? Element normal, urgent, active, okay. Element text, element icon, window, main box. Just nice. Wait, what is the fuck? So there is like a window inside of window. Okay, message. Text box. Padding. 5 pixels, right? Doesn't work. Whatever. Sidebar, button. Num. Input bar. Here we go. Padding 4. Wait. Spacing. Okay. Okay, so it works, but it works weirdly. Why is the spacing to the top? Oh, I know why. I know why. Yeah, it seems like I do actually know why. How do I fix it? I probably can do it like 0, 0, 4, 0. Okay, it worked. Right, it seems like so. Nice. Can I resize it? No, I can't. Okay. What if I open on my other screen? Okay, it adapts to the size of the screen. Pretty good. Is this fun? Is there like anything else I want to change? Probably not. I'm still thinking if I want to remove this space. This button. I know how to do it at this point. Let's just do it then. Then I go here. Wait, where was window? 0. Oh, so it's different. Okay. Okay. Wait, here too. You know what? The border is uneven. So here the border is 2 pixels, but the window has 1 pixel border. Okay, it's probably way too thick. Good. Oh, it's actually pretty good. Maybe I should leave it as it is. I'm not sure it's like anything else I can change, to be frank. Yeah, honestly, it looks almost perfect. I'm not sure about a counter here and why it doesn't change, by the way. Oh, because it filters out. By the way, I want to learn what else I can open with Rofi. Window, drun, run, SSH. Window. Wait. Wow, this. It actually might be kinda handy. I'm not sure though, because like I'm using workspaces, and I just have my workspaces remembered in my head, right? Like I'm kinda used to it. What else do they have? Run, drun. Okay. Okay, let's see what run is. Oh, so it's all the binaries. The following modes can be enabled: Compi, keys, file browser, recursive browser. To activate a mode, add it to list in the modes. Combi. Modes spec. Apart from the menu mode, Rofi can be told call a custom script. Also, I can feed basically anything. Calculator too. Wow, wait. Wow, wait. Okay, honestly, at this point, I feel pretty satisfied. And I'll leave it where it is right now. Because I feel it goes 80% there, right?